Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ananya and this is Thoughtful Creation 27. This vlog is going to be a little different. In this, as you saw in the title, we are going to make some bracelets which are totally animal themed. So after uploading the last video, for a couple of days I had less work and I thought, what should I do for my next vlog? As I was scrolling through my website, not my website, the bracelet book website, and scrolling through my to-dos which I have saved, I saw that I had saved a couple of animal themed bracelets in the past. I thought, why not just make a couple of them? They were very cute and interesting to make. I had fun making them and I thought, why not make those, add them to my shop. People might like it. Comment below if you like them at the end of this video. So I will show you here, and then each one I'll show and how it's looking after it's done, while it's being made. So let's get into making these bracelets. all the bracelets are done, and I made a couple of other bracelets within this week. I will also be showing you those, and I recorded these talking parts of the video all together after I shot the snippets of these bracelets I made in the week, because whenever I record these talking bits I have to switch off my fan and it's very hot, so I thought why not do this compilation together. If it looks good, fine. Only for this video I'll try to record the talking bits whenever I am done with each bracelet. So for this video, please bear with me, and now I will show you how all the bracelets are looking all together. So here are the three animal bracelets. First is the turtle one, as you can see, and for this bracelet on my shop as well as website, you can customize the background color, and the turtle remains the same. You can change up the background color, whatever color you want. That is personalizable. The second bracelet is the background can be custom changed. I did it a light blue. It's a cute little panda with bamboos around it. And the third animal themed bracelet was also an order which we received this week, and I thought it fits the theme well. It's none other than the monarch bracelet. I'm thinking of adding another 1 or 2 shades of this bracelet with a different background color, and the bracelet being a different, the butterfly being a different color. So this is the third one, and you will also see this in the next vlog. So this is another bracelet I did. It does not match the theme, but it's one of the works I did this week. It's a glitch skull. I just wanted to do it, so I made this, and it's also available. All these websites are available on my Etsy shop as well as my website. And now these were the 3 bracelets which were animal themed, and apart from those I made a couple of orders which took time, so you will see those in the next vlog. But these were the 3 animal themed bracelet I did. This is how they are looking, and all available on my shop. I really had fun making these. As I was making them and they were being done, I was only thinking that this is looking cute, this is looking adorable, and after I made especially this one, I was happy and I was smiling looking at this, because the panda really looks like, it just looks so adorable. And so these were the bracelets I did in this week, animal themed. I'll be adding more in the future. I also had in mind to do a fox and a squirrel, but I already took a lot of time making these and I had to upload this vlog. So maybe in the future vlogs you will see those as well. I am planning on adding those. That is it for this vlog, guys. It was a short vlog and I had fun making these bracelets. I hope you also had fun watching this. I hope you're also making your own bracelets or doing any craft or hobby, whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for future vlogs. It really helps my channel, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.